Welcome to Car Talk. This is not talking about cars. This is talking inside of a car. Today's talk is about taxes and being self-employed and working for yourself. Most people that work their 9 to 5 grind come tax season, which is very soon, this coming weekend or early next week, they hope to not owe anything. They often get a refund. They might not get anything, kind of thing. But most people, including myself, for about 10 years of my real job grind, get a refund every year. Most people that are self-employed or that work for themselves, such as myself, you don't get refunds anymore. The most you can hope for is to not pay. But someone like me who is fortunate and blessed enough to turn a substantial profit, I have to send off checks to the federal and state revenue services every quarter, so every 3 months. So April, June, September, December, I'm not sure. Every 3 months the accountant says which days to send it on. But substantial checks, and of course you only pay a lot when you earn a lot, so it's not like you're paying and not getting anything in return. But the mindset of that, the first couple times you got to write off these big checks, is very, very different, because you're used to getting returns from the IRS. And the reasoning for that is most people, when they get their paycheck, they've already had taxes and stuff taken out of it, because Uncle Sam in the States, they love to take every cut they can out of your wages. And that happens normally before you get your check. Whereas someone self-employed like me, which just collects money from a customer, and then anything above my cost is profit, that still has to get paid taxes on. So when you might have, say, 100,000 is a round number in gross profit, cost of revenue minus like cost of goods, then you would have to pay maybe 20 to 30%, depending on your legal structures and tax brackets from other incomes. But 20 to 30% of that would go. So you might have to, in the course of a year, write off $25,000 worth of checks to Uncle Sam. And that's why that's different that way. And the first couple times, I'm about a year and a half in, the first couple times it was really weird sending off big checks to the IRS versus getting a refund check or e-file, an ACH into my account. So anyway, that's something, if you ever do go self-employed, be prepared for that, because mentally that is a serious change from what most people are used to, because you end up, instead of getting a refund, you end up sending off large chunks of money every 3 months to the government. Very different, but you only send off when you earn, so it comes with the territory.